morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today is June 15, 2020 and the day is Monday. Dear students, in this video we will start our aptitude. So firstly, understand what do you mean by aptitude. Aptitude is an innate or acquired or learned or developed component of a competency to do a certain kind of work at a certain level. If we will learn how to solve the verbal aptitude, non-verbal aptitude, quantitative aptitude, then it could develop and actually improve our mental ability and our quantitative aptitude. In this book, we will learn the verbal aptitude. Verbal aptitude deals with the usage of words. As we know that the word indicates to the verbal, means verbal aptitude deals with the usage of words. It deals with the usage of letters, then and digits also, and digits which acquire common sense reasoning. So verbal aptitude simply deals with the use of words, letters and digits which require common sense reasoning. We always saw such kind of aptitude in some newspapers, questions and another reasoning books also. So here next we have non-verbal aptitude. Non-verbal aptitude basically deals with the logical reasoning and its ability to differentiate or correlate between given figures. Sometimes so many figures are given to you and you have to find what is different in this figure, find the difference in so many figures. Some patterns are given to you, you have to find according to the question, whatever the question is asked to you. So non-verbal basically deals with the figures, diagrams, patterns, and verbal aptitude deals with the usage of word. In non-verbal means in which no words are used. So this aptitude deals with our figures, different patterns, diagrams. Then we have quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude deals with general mathematical skills. It deals with general mathematical skills. That is handling numbers and mathematical operations rapidly, accurately. And after that, we will have some aptitude test based upon verbal, non-verbal and quantitative aptitude. Students, today we will start our BODMAS rule, which is chapter number 23 of the book and which is on page number 60. Dear students, while simplifying a numerical expression, we must perform the various operations strictly in a particular order. Operations like plus, minus, divide, multiply. Then the word BODMAS gives the order in which various operations are performed. So if in the question so many operations are given to you, you have to solve this numerical expression according to the rule of the BODMAS. Here, this B indicates brackets. This B indicates bracket. So in the numerical expressions, if so many operations are given to you, brackets are given to you, then you have to solve the bracket first. Then firstly, let's learn how many types of brackets are there. There are 4 types of brackets: round brackets, square brackets, curly bracket, angle bracket. So angle brackets, such kind of question we will learn in the higher classes. If in the questions all the brackets are given to you, so this is your round bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. If in such way brackets are given to you in the numerical expression, then always solve this round bracket first, then solve this curly bracket, then finally solve this square bracket. So here we have 4 types of bracket: round bracket, square bracket, curly bracket, angle bracket. And if in such way brackets are given to you, then you have to solve the round bracket first, then solve the curly bracket. After solving this, solve the square bracket, then solve the bracket first. Now next is O. This O means off. This O means off. Whenever in the expression off is given to you, you have to solve it first. And if off is given to you, then instead of off, you will write multiply. But if of is given to you, then solve of first. Then next we have D. Here D means division. Here D means division. Then we have M. M means multiplication. A. A means addition. Then S means subtraction. So if in the numerical expression so many operations are given to you, you have to solve according to the order, that is BODMAS rule. Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So let's apply this rule in the various mathematical expression. Here we have a question that is simplify. 5 multiply 4 plus 6 multiply 2. So as we have this rule BODMAS, now in this expression you have multiplication, you have addition also, but according to the rule of BODMAS you have to solve multiplication first, because addition comes after multiplication. Here the word M comes first, so you have to solve multiplication. So solve 5 multiply by 4 first, not 4 plus 6. You have to solve multiplication first. 5 multiply by 4. 5 multiply by 4 you have 20, because according to the rule of the BODMAS you have to solve this M multiplication first. This plus as it is, so 6 2s are 12. Now you solved multiplication, now solve this addition. 20 plus 12, this is equals to 32. So you solved this expression according to the rule of BODMAS. Now next we have second question. You have to simplify this. In this expression, subtraction is given to you, multiplication is given to you, and plus is given to you. Now here you have BODMAS bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Now you have subtraction, multiplication, then addition. According to the rule, multiplication comes first, so you have to multiply this number first. This 5 as it is minus 2 4s are 8 plus 6. According to the rule, you just multiplied first, so this is the reason behind you did 2 multiply by 4, that is 8. Then next we have addition, so you have to add this number and this number, addition. So you can also write like this, 5 plus 6 minus 8. You can also write like this for your convenience. So add first 5 plus 6, you have 11 minus 8, then subtract. You will get 3. So your answer is 3. If in the question you have more than one operation, always solve according to the rule of BODMAS, bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Now next we have third question. In this question you have division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and of. Now in this question you have so many operations: division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, of. So let's solve according to the rule of BODMAS. Here we don't have brackets, so we will start with O, that is of. So it means you have to solve this of first. So write 10 as it is, divided by 2 multiply by 4 plus 3 minus 1. You have to solve of first. If you have of, then write multiply instead of then you will get this. Whenever you have to remove of, just put the sign of multiplication. This is the very first step of BODMAS rule. If you have of, then solve the of first. To solve the of, you have to multiply. Then so we have 10 divided by 2 multiply by of plus 3 minus 5. Why we solve this multiplication first? Because we put the sign of multiply instead of, and according to the rule we have to solve this of first. So we solved of done. Then after of we have division, this division sign, division. So this is the sign of division. Between two numbers you have the sign of division, so you have to divide 10 divided by 2, then you will get 5. So this multiply by 4 as it is, plus 3 as it is, minus 5 as it is. Clear students? You have to solve according to the rule of BODMAS. Here divide is written after of, so you have to solve this divide first. Now we are left with operation multiplication, addition and subtraction. Multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now we solve division, then after division we have to solve this multiplication, means this multiplication. 5 fours are 20 plus 3 minus 5. Now you have next addition, solve addition, then solve this addition. 20 plus 3, that is 23 minus 4. Now the last you have to subtract and your final answer is 18. So if in numerical expression you have more than one operation, then always solve according to the rule of BODMAS. If you have of, then solve the of first. So we solve this expression according to the rule of BODMAS. Now next we have fourth part. Now in this question you have an operation divide, you have brackets also, all the 3 brackets. You have round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, then plus, then divide, then minus. Then solve according to the brackets given to you. So our first step, we have to solve of first. 100 divided by this 100 as it is, plus this bracket. So this is the first bracket we have to solve, that is 10 of 10. We have to solve this bracket. So we have 10 multiply 10 divided by 100 minus 1 as it is. First we write multiply instead of, then we have this 100, again this 100, plus we have to solve this bracket now. 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100 divided by 100 minus 1. Now if so many brackets are given to you, our first step we have to solve this round bracket first, then after that we have to solve this curly bracket. 100 divided by 100, 100 divided by 100, 1. We solved this bracket. 100 divided by 100, 1. Then we have this one. Now next step we have to solve this bracket, square bracket, and in this square bracket we have 2 operations, that is plus and minus. So according to the rule you have to solve addition first. So addition first, we have 101 minus 1. So next 100 divided by 101 minus 1, we are left with 100. Now 100 divided by 100, we are left with 1. So we solve according to the rule of BODMAS. We are left with answer 1. Now next type of question we have, if plus means multiply, minus means divide, multiply means plus, divide means minus. Now in this question you have such kind of operation. Just write multiply instead of plus, divide instead of minus, plus instead of multiply, then minus instead of divide. Then simplify the following. It means you have to write, as we know plus means multiply, here plus means multiply. 3, this multiply means plus. 6, divide means minus, here 12 as it is, and minus means this divide. So as the question is given to you, as in this question we have such kind of instruction, then we will solve according to the questions. But after writing multiply instead of plus, plus instead of multiplication, so on, we will solve according to the rule of BODMAS only. We will apply the rule of BODMAS only, because we know that in numerical expression, if more than one operations are given to you, then you have to solve according to the rule of BODMAS. And in the rule of BODMAS, the very first is you have to solve divide, because here not bracket is given to you, not off, then we have divide. It means you have to solve this divide first. So let's solve. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 6 minus. If you divide 12 by 4, we will get 3. Then after division we have this multiplication. Then solve this multiplication. Then we have 2 3s are 6 plus 6 minus 3. After multiplication we have addition. So 6 plus 6, we have 12 minus 3. Then subtract. After subtraction we will get 9. We solved according to the rule of BODMAS, but in this question one twist is that instead of the operation you have to write another operation as mentioned in the question. So this way we solve our first question. Practice another question of same type. Here question is same to you. Here all the instructions are same to you, and this is the question we have to solve. The very first step is you have to assume like this. 14, instead of minus we have to write divide. So here I am writing divide. 7, multiplication is given. Instead of multiplication I will write plus 2. Then divide means minus, so 1, and plus. Here plus means multiply. So here I got a numerical expression, and we know that if an expression all the operations are given to you, you have to solve divide first. So we will divide first. 14 divided by 7, we will get 2 plus 2 minus 1 multiply by 3. Then we will solve multiplication. Now here the operation of multiplication. So I have to solve this. 2 plus 2 minus 3. Then we have to solve this addition. So 2 plus 2, this is equals to 4 minus 3, and your answer is 1. Okay students, now your homework is you have to solve the questions which is given on chapter 23, that is BODMAS rule. This is the very basic rule as we done before also, and you have to practice the rule, as this rule is very very helpful in so many questions. And this is on page number 60 of aptitude books, and you have to solve page 60 and 61. On page number 61, as we done like B part, if plus means multiplication, such kind of questions are given to you. And on page number 20, simple, you have to simplify the questions, and you have to simplify with the rule of BODMAS. Then practice this rule by solving various questions. So this is your homework.